How to cancel Google Storage subscription. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you to the steps in order to do so. So first of all, you can head over to Google One, or you can even go over to your Google Play Store. So let's head over to Google One first and open it up. Once you are logged in, you can look out for the menu bar at the top left, tap on it to open up a menu and select the option of settings from the given menu to open up your settings of Google One. Now, right now, I have not subscribed to any membership plan, but if you've subscribed, you will be finding your subscription here, right here in this section. So when you tap on your subscription, your membership plan right here, you will be given with your membership details right here and an option to cancel your subscription. So go ahead and find it up. After that, tap on cancel subscription, and when you confirm it up, your subscription should be canceled for your Google storage. Apart from that, if you've done it from your Google Play Store, we have another method available. Go to your Google Play Store app, open it up, and then from here, go to profile at the top right, and go to payments and subscriptions tab, tap on it, and look out for subscriptions, and look out for your Google Store subscription here, and go ahead and confirm and cancel it from here, and that way also you can do it. So these are the way you can follow up if you'd like to cancel your subscription for Google Storage. So that's it for today's video. We hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.